Amity University Lucknow campus has commenced its admission counselling process for the upcoming session. Open house candidates, accompanied by their parents and guardians, arrived on campus to explore academic possibilities and experience the Amity environment firsthand. The open house began with an engaging presentation introducing the Amity universe, its legacy, vision, and the wide spectrum of programs offered across disciplines. Following the presentation, candidates engaged with institutional leadership, heads of institutions, domain experts, and faculty members to gain valuable insights into their chosen fields. It was followed by a guided campus tour showcasing Amity's state-of-the-art infrastructure and vibrant learning environment. This to help them experience the institutional facilities and get a deeper understanding of their future learning spaces. Join us and experience it yourself. We are Amity Lucknow, where your future begins.